video, I'll walk you through how to build a preset or chef's choice package. So firstly, we're going to come to our menu page. We're going to click Add New and go to Package. We'll give the package a title. You could also give it a description, and we'll give it a price. So I'm going to do $45 and assign it to a category of packages. Next, we'll go to sizes, and I'm going to make this a 5 meals package, and I'm going to add a second size to it for 10 meals. And since the first one was $45 for 5, I'm going to make this 10 meals for $90. And now we just need to set the items for each of these. So we'll come to the items tab. We'll stay here on the preset tab, and we'll go ahead and set these. So for 5 meals, we'll come through and I'll just select some meals in this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go back. Now the same thing for 10. What I'll do for the 10 though is I'll make some selections here, but I'll actually just make these double the quantity. So instead of having to choose 10 separate meals, it's just going to be the same 5 meals, just times 2. Now the last thing we could do is add an image up on the top right hand corner if we wanted to, and that's going to be it. So I'll go ahead and just click OK. I'm going to give the page a refresh, and let's go check our orders page. I'll click Create Manual Order. So I'll go ahead and search for that package, and I'll go ahead and select the 10 meal version. And now in my bag, I have that 10 meal package with all the meals I chose with a quantity of 2, and that's all it takes.